Here's a great deal on a 2000 Pontiac Montana. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, remote keyless entry, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.